Hello guys, today I'm gonna make my grandma's famous fish curry. What you need is curry leaves, turmeric, chili powder, green chili, mashed ginger, green mango, coconut milk, shallots, more curry leaves, and dried chili. Let's get started. And main ingredient fish. In a clay pot, add your mashed garlic, ginger, green chili, red chili powder, and turmeric. Add salt. Mix all together. Add curry leaves. And coconut milk. Mix well. Add green mango. Mix. Put in stove and add your fish. Turn on the stove. Wait about 10 minutes. Your fish curry is ready. Next, heat a small pan and add coconut oil. Add shallots. This will be your seasoning. Now your shallots are in a gold color. Add your dry chili. And add your curry leaves. Now add a little bit of red chili powder. Now lower your heat. Turn off your heat. Season it. Yeah, season in your fish curry. Your curry should look like this. Mix with the pot instead of a spoon. Now your curry is done. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you subscribe. Bye.